Satellites for tracking. Satellites can help to track sea animals' travels. Scientists tag some animals. A satellite can track the signal from the tag. The signal shows where the animal goes. Counting the sea animals. What animals live in the ocean? Where do they live? How many are there? Oceanographers studied and counted animals for 10 years to find out. The surprising report is called the Census of Marine Life. The Census of Marine Life. The first surprise was where things lived, everywhere. Marine species lived in the hottest and coldest places. Some species lived in deep places without light or oxygen. Living in hot and cold water. The very cold, deep ocean zone has hot volcanoes in it. The water temperature at a volcano can be 400 degrees Celsius, 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Some species of shrimp, crabs, worms, and bacteria live in this very hot water. Huge groups of Arctic sea life were also found living in freezing water. Some species of squid, cod, and jellyfish live under solid ice that is 700 meters, 2,296 feet thick. What did we learn? The marine census counted over 230,000 species. Over 6,000 new species had never been seen before. Some creatures were see-through. Some had warning lights that turned on and off. Others had long feelers instead of eyes. What else lives in the deep ocean? Scientists keep finding new species and new facts. They think that only 1/4 of all marine life has been counted. So there are many more surprises to come. Explore more. To learn more about the Census of Marine Life, A Decade of Discovery, go to its website at www.coml.org. Each week, new discoveries are added to the Marine Census Project using a map on Google Earth. www.coml/census-on-Google-Earth. On the internet, search terms such as deep sea